Is this the best wireless lavalier mic for your camera? That's what we're going to find out by the end of this video. I'm going to give you my conclusive results, but before we do all that, I'm going to show you how to hook all this up to make it sound the best it possibly can. So let's jump into it. All right, so this mic is called the PQRPQ mini mic, and the way we're going to use it today, for example, we're going to use the Sony A6300 DSLR camera, and here is the receiver for it right there. Now we're ready to put it in the camera. So on this camera, we have the connection for an external mic, which is right here. Oh, here's the thing. You don't need any special drivers or software. You can just plug it in and it'll detect the mic. Okay, so here we go. Let's plug it in. Okay, now it's on the camera. It does stick out a little bit, so you might want to think about that when you're setting this up, but this will work perfectly. Now we're going to turn on the camera. We're going to turn on the little microphone, and then we're going to do some sound checks and some examples. So let's get ready. All right, let's turn on the receiver, which is right here. As you can see, it's lighting up and it's ready to accept this signal from one of the mics. And by the way, there's two mics that come with this camera, which is very nice. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn on this mic. Well, I'm going to use one. So let's turn it on. We're going to turn it on right there. And when we do that, we're going to see that this light is permanently green. That means it's receiving the signal, and on the mic itself, you can see that it's got the signal. It's ready to go and you're ready to use it, and it's gonna pick up the sound on your DSLR camera. So let's see how that works. Okay, this is the sound from the mics that are on the camera. Audio check 1, 2, 3. I have not connected this yet. Audio check 1, 2, 3. We're just getting the levels. I'm gonna run back. Let's see. Audio check 1, 2, 3. I'm standing back. I'm about 10 feet away. Audio check, and I'm gonna run back. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Now let's connect this and see if we can get it to sound right. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Now we have connected the receiver. We don't need this. I have put this on there, and you know, it just wasn't, it's too quiet. I'm not sure why. So you can just connect the receiver. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Let's run back. Okay. Audio check 1, 2, 3. I'm about 10 feet away. I still got the lavalier mic connected. Audio check 1, 2, 3. I didn't even tap it. Now I'm going to run back. Audio check 1, 2, 3. All right, let's listen to that and compare it all together. Okay, so here are my results and what do I think, and this is pretty interesting. So more normally you're going to use an adapter like this for your DSLR camera, but it turns out I didn't need to use it. So what do I think about this wireless microphone? I think it's good. The only thing is I don't particularly care for this thing sticking out like this. If it's not a problem for you, then hey, go for it. It'll work just fine. But yeah, don't use the adapter. Sony A6300. So I'm going to test it on a different camera. But for now, for what it does, the results were pretty good. Not too bad. And you can connect two mics as well. So you can have two different, if you're doing an interview type of thing, you can do that as well. Or you can just use a single one. So those are my results. Let me know if you found that interesting. Let me know if you hear the difference. Go back and check out the video. Leave me a comment. Be sure to check out. And hey, if you want to listen to another microphone, one that's really awesome, go check out this video right here. All right.